Hello everyone, you're watching Monster B, and today there's something going on with my computer. It's only going to be a short video, but the past few days, each time I would turn it on, there has been a weird noise coming from the bottom cooling fan. So let's turn it on and see if it makes a noise. I can hear a little something. There it goes. So this is what I do. So I just take off the cover. Boy. The cover is now off, still making a noise. So I locate the source of the noise, which is coming from right here. There we go. Nothing like a little bit of violence applied to some broken technology won't fix. So, yeah. Literally just putting my phone under my chin to try to keep it there. You can probably see it in the reflection of the mirror, not the mirror of the glass. And it's not gonna work out, so I just, yeah. But you're there. And yes, I got a haircut. Not getting much, but I got a haircut a couple weeks ago, and by now, but still got one. Forget it. You know how it's done. But yeah, this was just fixing video, I guess. Although it wasn't not really much fixing, just some tapping here and there, but that's about it. So, and update about my truck. It is up on ramps. Well, not really ramps, because you should have seen it. I'll explain it later, but yeah. A hint, it crashed. I'm gonna leave it at that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.